I'm Swan and welcome to my channel. Hey lovelies, so this episode, can we call it episodes? But anyhow, this episode is an exciting one for me. So I've had this XPPEN Deco one for some years now, and this was a little mishap I had where I was cleaning my room and the curtain rod fell on it. I was terrified to use it because I think I spoiled it and I couldn't afford a new one, but it still works even with the dent, and even if I take the pen and put it over the dent, it still works. So XPPEN is very good. No, they are not sponsoring this, but XPPEN. I'm sorry for the sweating, it's very hot and I'm so excited. So here for the piece de resistance I've been saving for a while for this, and then ta-da, ta-da, yeah. So there was a mess up. I really wanted to buy okay, I really wanted to get a 15-inch, but the person I asked to buy this for me, I didn't tell them that. I forget there's different sizes, and the trouble I have to go through to return it and get the new one is too much. Other trim me go against. You guys know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to learn to love this. And I want to get the 15-inch because I'm a big girl. I got big hands and I draw big. So the biggest size is 15-inch that I can afford in my price range. But let's see how the 13-inch, the 13.3. Let's see. Let's go. I'm so excited. Let me tell you, opening this box was like it was Christmas morning. I've always wanted a display tablet and I saved up and I finally got one. When I opened the box, the first thing to greet me, of course, was the tablet and all the other goodies. So this XPPEN Artist Pro 13.3 has a display resolution of 1920 by 1080. It has a color gamut of 88% NTSC. It has a battery-free stylus pen. It has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. It has a tilt of 60 degrees. It got 8 shortcut keys, 1 roller wheel, and a resolution of 5080 LPI and a contrast ratio of 1,000:1. Do I know what any of that thing means? No. But does it sound good? Yes. So in the package we got the stand, the manual and warranty. We also got pen, the microfiber cloth, which I misplaced the one I got in this package, so I'm just going to put the one I have already, as a standing. We have an adapter plug. We got cords, 3 different plugs for any kind of plug in whichever country you use, because we have different plugs apparently. And of course we have the tablet itself. So putting on this thing was just like, it was so exciting. I was so excited putting it up for the first time. I'm not gonna lie, I struggled. I struggled. I just struggle with simple things anyhow, so that's not the point. That's not the fault of the tablet, it's me. Okay, it's me. But thanks to YouTube University, I got through. So after setting it all up, I was playing around in Photoshop, just trying to get used to it. And it was time to get into the actual drawing. So Delightful recently came out with her dark rainbow doll, and the doll wore a extra large cargo pants. And when I saw it, I was like, I want Swan in a cargo pants. Heck, I want myself in a cargo pants. So guys, if you know where you could get plus size cargo pants, nope, scratch that. If you could get plus size cargo pants, because my hips don't lie, please tell me where I could get it, because I want one. Okay, just leave it in the comments below. I want one. So after seeing that doll, I came up with the idea of Y2K or blue jeaning Swan's original outfit, which is her pink pants and yellow sweater top. I don't know what it is. I just drew it one day and it seemed cool and it just So I also wanted to give her the cap with the bunny ears, but Swan, like myself, don't like to wear caps, and I have no idea how to draw Swan's hair under a cap. So scratch that idea. Maybe I should learn. Anyhow, so that's the idea I came up with to draw, because in trying out a new program or a new drawing tablet, it seems easier or better to draw something you're used to, and Swan is the one thing I know I draw all the time. So let's talk about the use of this tablet. So there are cons and pros. Let's go with the cons first. Con number one, the cords. The cords is everywhere. It's so much cords. I got spoiled with my Deco one where you just have one cord to deal with, and this one has like 3 or 4, and it's all over my workstation, and I'm trying to make it look cute, but yeah, they're just bundling up together. Con number 2, drawing on a tablet, I have a pain in my arm. And it's not a, oh my God, something's wrong kind of pain. It's, oh my goodness, I did not know that muscle existed kind of pain. And even if I put the tablet flat on the table, the pain is still there. Yet when I draw in my sketchbook, I don't have that pain. So I think it's just a weak muscle that will get stronger as I continue to use it. Con number 3, the gloves. I got a glove with my Deco one and I never used it. And I thought, oh, maybe with my display tablet, I would use it. No. Even just covering 2 fingers is too much. It's too much. My hands don't like to be covered. My head doesn't like to be covered. Neither does my feet. I don't know how I survive. But anyhow, putting on the glove even for 2 minutes, it just sweat and it's like, take it off. So I have to use the tablet without the glove, and my skin sticks to the screen, especially if I'm drawing in one area for a long time. Yeah, so that's kind of annoying, but it's better than wearing the glove. That's a con specific to me. That's not in general, that's just to me. And con number 4, the tablet gets hot. The tablet gets really hot, and I live in a hot country, so that's double hot. So I don't care. I'm drawing on a display tablet. I don't care, but yeah, it gets hot. And con number 5, it's really hard to match the display, like the RGB to each other, because the XPPEN, it's really bright, it's really saturated, and my laptop is not. So when I was doing this illustration of Swan, I was like, oh, these colors are so cute. And then I would look up at the laptop and I'm like, I tried my best after I did the illustration to match the resolution or the display capture, whatever, together. I got it as close as I could, but the tablet is still way more saturated than my laptop. And yeah, those are the cons, but with the pros, I have a display tablet. Bitch. I have a drawing tablet, something I have been dreaming about for years. And I finally got it. A win is a win. 5 cons and 1 pro, and the pro wins. The pros win. I have a drawing tablet. It is so much fun. No, but overall, the drawing experience was fun. I do have to take breaks to like stretch out my arm, open and close my palm to loosen that muscle that's now being used apparently. But this whole experience is so nice. After calibrating the tablet, it's so good to draw. Coming down to the ending of the drawing, however, the pressure sensitivity just stopped, and I was too lazy to go and figure out what was wrong, so I just started adjusting the size of the brush so I don't have to actually get pressure sensitivity, but it worked. I just really didn't want to bother figuring out what was wrong. Also, using this tablet made me realize how many shortcut keys I use. So for the tablet, for the customizable keys, I put undo, brush, and eraser. And I thought, okay, that's all I use. No, I use the one tool a lot, the lasso tool a lot, the move tool a lot. I'm like, wow. And how my table is situated, I can't have my keyboard close to the tablet, so I have to reach my left hand all the way back to reach my keyboard, especially where my tablet is to draw. And I'm like, I'll work something out. I'll get smaller keyboard because my keyboard is the big one. So yeah, I don't know if that's a con, but that's a situation that I'm dealing with right now. But the whole experience of drawing, so good.
Hit you up 9:30. Say let's go for a ride. City lights in the sky, top down, close my eyes. We got no place to be. Driving around aimlessly, thinking about the past, and now leave the stress, let's clear the clouds. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now. Shout out to the real ones. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now. Shout out to the real ones. Wanna get away, yeah. Wanna get away now. 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 I just wanna go to an island. I'll be sipping on some iced tea. Take me away to an island. Wanna feel the Maui breeze. Maybe I can go to Paris. Say bonjour to the Arc de Triomphe. Or maybe I can go to Ibiza and dance till the sun comes out. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now. Shout out to the real ones. This to my left, this to my right. In VIP, getting lost for the night. No more bottles left to go around. It's gonna stay now. Shout out to the real ones. Wanna get away, yeah. Wanna get away now. 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 Wanna get away now. Get away now.
All in all, this was an enjoyable experience, and I am so happy I made this purchase. I want to continue on to see how much I love it in the future, but as a first impression, I really love this tablet. And I have to try a lot better at making the two screens look alike, because the one for the XP pen is way more brighter and way more saturated. So I'm drawing Swan, I'm looking at the screen, and then I'll look at my laptop and I'm like, whoa, it looks totally different. I was to customize the display settings and I still didn't get it 100%, but I get like 85, 89%, but I'll keep trying. And thank you, lovelies, so much for watching this video. And I'll see you when I see you. When I'm drawing on my tablet, yeah. Okay, lovelies. Bye.